Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you in WhatsApp how to send a view once video. So if in case you want to do a view once video, it's very easy. So this is how you do it. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and open WhatsApp. Now, in terms of the video, I assume that you have a video, so you can exit and do a video. So in this case, I'm going to do a video with my hand here. So I'm going to go to video. I'm going to do a very short video. All right, about 2 seconds. I'm gonna stop. Well, it's 3 seconds. The video is here. All right, you get the idea. All right, so that's my hand. And what I'm gonna do now is the video is prepared. So I'm gonna send it as I send once, meaning that the person on the other end can only view that video once. It's actually the clip icon. You're gonna go to your gallery. Okay, this is it. Right here, if it's not shown, the photo that you want, you're gonna go to manage. You're gonna select more photos. And of course, here's the video. So you're gonna go ahead and select. Sorry about the earlier mix up. So it's done, right? Once you hit done, we can go back. And if we go back to gallery, sorry about that. So there, and then it pops up as this. So that particular video, select the video and be very careful. There's a 1 that you're gonna press, and it's the one that is not the one on the send, actually the one that's in the text field. If you have a text, you can place a text here, and of course it's gonna be placed in this line just to make it more clear. So right here that it shows 1, that's one with those, with half of the one actually have broken lines, not the one on the play. You're gonna tap right there. There you go. And it says here that view once message just got more private. Now you can send a view once message with receipt. Can take screenshot. You can't take screenshots of for added privacy. They can't share or forward or save it. All right. So we're gonna hit OK. All right. So it's now checked. As we said, you can place a message on it. So I'm gonna say hi, and then I'm gonna send. You know it's active because it's the one is now complete, not this one over here, but the one over on the left. Send. There you go. You'll know it's a read view once because it shows right there a 1 with the jagged edges instead of showing the video. So it says video, so the person will only be able to view that video once. And as you can see, it's now a view once video. All right, so hope that was useful, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.